This
Yesterday
conference will
Recording.
now be recorded.
yesterday we are facing issues with the report. Actually, the issue is with full build and the memory. Okay, I tried to uninstall few of the things, so let's see how it works today. Okay, so let me create a new report. Right click, click on the add button, new item, and here you need to select reports, report, and we are creating a report called AMA customer discount. Click on the add button. Now it will add a new report for us and go to the data sets. And here we need to create a new data set. Okay, we need to create a new data set. What is the type of data set here? We were discussing about RDP. So the data set would be the report data provider. Okay, and I will give some good name, AMA customer discount, and then query, select this. Now like this, it will load the classes. Whoever extended with whatever the classes that we have. Oh, unfortunately, we are getting very few classes, but here you will see thousands of classes, I can say. Okay, here you will see thousands of classes, and the issue is with my environment. It's not with the VM. Okay, so if I do a full build now, it's not getting full build, but it's good that at least we got our AMA customer discount DP. Okay, click on the next button. Select all the fields, click on OK button. Now it will create a report for us. This is my data set for the report. You can see your customer ID, discount name, sales ID count. And now select the designs, click on the new button, and here you have auto design and the precision design. First of all, we will see auto design. Okay. And layout template, please remember, if you want to create your own template, create your own template. If you want to create your own template, create your own template. Or you can select the report layout style template. That's all up to you again. And if you want to give some good title, customer discount, you can give the title, yeah. Okay, you can give whatever the title you want. And then you can set the page, you can set the size to fit, all these things. Those are the properties which you can just verify. Okay, the text type and all those things. Okay, now right click, and then you can see here in the auto design, we have said whatever the properties that are needed. And now, what is the next step? In case of AX 2012, for this data set, we used to have a preview. But in case of Dynamics 365, there is no preview. Okay. In AX 2012, we used to have a preview, but in case of Dynamics 365, we don't have the one. And remember, now once you drag and drop the data source, it will show you groupings. If you want to use some group by, sort, if you want to use some order by, if you want to add some filters, if you want to add some, the data will be automatically, we have 4 fields. And if you want to add anything else, you can create a new field group or image. Okay, you can create a new field group or image. Okay, I want you to try that field image. Okay, it's similar. You can just add one image and then you can get that image over there. You can do that. And the important thing is parameters. By default, these are the parameters. When you create a report, you will get them automatically. If you want to add any new parameters, okay, if you want to add any new parameters, you can right click and click on the new parameter. This is one way. And if you want to add the parameter group, you can add the parameter group. This is one way. Okay, but there is one more way using the data contracts. If you want to add it directly, you can add it from here. If you want to work with the data contracts, we can work with the data contracts. First of all, we will do one thing. We will do a rebuild. We will deploy the report. We will create an output menu item and we will check. Okay, click on the add button, new item, and go to user interface, output menu item, and let me call this as AMA customer report. Click on the add button, click on the properties. Here you can see the object type, select it as SSRS report, and object would be AMA customer discount. Okay, this is the report that we have created. Done. And by default, it took auto design. Now I will set some label, customer discount report. Okay, save. Now we have the menu. Now we will add it to our menu here. I have the menu here. Okay, I'll go to the shopping management system, open, and here I will create one more sub menu. I will call this as reports. Let me call this as reports, and let me set some grid label. I will call it as reports, and go to Solution Explorer. You have the output menu item. Drag and drop it to reports. Done. Save. Okay. Now do a rebuild. Right click. Okay, let me check if sync is true again. It will take a lot of time. Properties. Okay, sync is false. Let's do a rebuild. Rebuild the solution, and then our report is done. As simple as this. Creating an SSRS report is very simple. Okay, creating the SSRS report is very simple. And remember, whenever you are working with the reports, you need to deploy the report if you want your report to work. If you don't deploy, the report will not get open. So if you deploy, then only it will go and sit in SQL Server reports. Okay, from server-side reporting solutions, it will go to SQL Server reporting services only when you deploy. If you don't deploy, it will not go there. Okay, it is throwing the error here. No assembly matching reference module application suite is found. It is expecting me to do a full build, but if I need to do that, it will take a lot of time. 1 second. Oh, I can do one thing. What I can do is, okay, already I have checked in the entire code, so there are only few things left. Okay, so what I will do is, I will go to model management, update model parameters, and then for the time being, I will remove this application suite. Next, finish. Actually, you need to do a full build to resolve this kind of error, but unfortunately, it will take a lot of time for me to do a full build, and it is not getting built due to the memory issues in my environment. Okay. Mm. You know why we got that error? Because this needs reference to application suite. Let me exclude from project. Yesterday, someone asked me, is there any other way with which we can only build our project? This is how we can do. We need to exclude whatever the items which are related to that one, and EDT extensions. Exclude Main menu navigation belongs to this one. Okay. Table. Exclude. And do you people download the code? Okay, still there is one map. And let me exclude this as well. And there is one display menu item query. Okay. Queries. Display menu items. Okay, what is the name of it? Okay, here it is set. Query simple PQRS. AMA cust sales line query. This one. Exclude from project. And then there is a view. Cust sales view. Exclude from project. Maps, I think we have removed. Okay, good.
From where we need to download this project?
I have given you the version control link. skd365.visualstudio.com. If you log on to that one, you can directly download the project. I made it public.
Like I'm having already the same project and also many items with same names and uh, same code, so it will create an issue.
Didn't get you because I think I lost network might be for a minute. Can you come
Uh,
again?
Actually, I have already created most of the objects.
Hmm.
So if I
It will
download,
replace. It will replace whatever you have created if you download and copy and paste. Okay. Now build got completed successfully. Now let me right click on the project and you can see a option called deploy reports. This is one option, or you can do one more thing. You can go to a specific report and also you can deploy reports. That's up to you. Okay. Now I'm deploying the reports at the project level. Let me right click and deploy reports. Okay. So what does this deploy reports does? You can see RDL generation started, RDL generation completed. Means report definition language. Whatever the report that you have created in Dynamics AX, it will take that report and then it will place in the SQL server. Okay. So deploy reports started. It is deploying reports to the SQL. So once the deployment is finished, we can go to the front end and we can check.
Uh, Kumar, sorry I joined late. So did we write any code on the report level? Yeah.
No.
No. Okay. Yeah. So I will. Okay. Yeah. We can.
Yeah. Okay, it says deployment reports completed. Now you can see here, this is the server. The report got deployed to the reporting server. Now let me go to the front end and let's see the report. And how much data we have, I don't know that. And similarly, query-based report is very simple. You will create a query and then you can get the report. And if you want to add the parameters, you can add the ranges. It's very easy here. Coming to the query-based report now, it's very easy. Okay. Whereas again, there is one more thing. Sometimes people will ask, how can you use AOT query in a SSRS report? We have a method called param query. You can directly get the AOT query into this code. Okay, that's possible. If you remember, I told you about the query framework, query object model. Using the query object model, we will use XPP queries and then we can write whatever we need. Okay, good. This time it says page cannot be loaded here. Okay, let me check if the service is started or not. Yes. Oh, it started. It started. Okay. Seems like it's time for me to deploy a new environment. Okay, because there are no connection problems, but unfortunately it is not showing anything. Just give me a second. I will restart this machine and try again. And only one thing that I can see is memory screwed everything in this machine here. You can see here, yesterday it was 700 MB. Good that it has increased to 10 GB. Now seems like it's time to redeploy the machine for me. I will do one thing. Anyways, I have the backup. I will redeploy the machine and then I will come back. Okay. Because due to the effect of memory, it is not working. I have uninstalled few of the files as well. Then even then it is not working. Okay. Let me do that. So today we will close the session here and we will connect tomorrow again. Okay. Tomorrow is Saturday. So anyways, I will plan tomorrow and I will take more time for tomorrow. Okay. Let's do that. Because as you can see now, currently coming to this machine, it's gone, I can say. If I need to fix this again, I need to do a full build and then again I need to do a lot of things. So instead of that, I will redeploy one more machine. Yeah, in the meantime, please let me know if you have any queries. Huh?
So how was that issue fixed yesterday's issue? Like that.
Do a full build. But
Okay, that's
actually, even, yeah, that's the fix. But even if I try to do the full build, it took around 8 hours. But after 8 hours, it did not do anything. So again, I tried to build, it is showing even only few files for me.
So Kumar just wanted to check, like if we were using cloud hosted environment, so we'll not face this kind of issue. Like, uh,
See here, even if it is cloud hosted environment, you will face
okay,
this kind of issues. Okay, that's common.
okay,
And
hmm,
one thing that we need to do is we need to check regularly. Okay, the first thing is about the memory. You can see I have allocated the 150 GB of SSD for this, and it's already everything is full. So if it needs to do additional operation, yesterday it was 730 MB, and it got around 10 MB or so, and the machine got shut down automatically. I tried to do a full build by uninstalling few of the files, but even then it is not picking up. So you need to increase the memory and then you need to check back.
okay. Hmm.
Because even on the cloud hosted environments, you will get the same kind of issue. It's quite common. Next.
Like you said, if I download, then objects will be replaced. So,
See here, if you download the objects and copy and paste, then they will get replaced.
okay.
Okay.
If we change the project name or something
Actually,
like that,
I
or
want to create the objects on my own, but at the same time, I also
Then do
want
one
to
thing.
download.
Then do one thing, create a new model and call it as Amazon class, and in that model add these objects. Then you will have two models with both the objects. Okay.
Yeah. Uh, okay, Kumar, I have a question from security part. So if
Hmm.
we are creating these privileges and duty in the
Hmm.
front end, where can we check? Like I
I
created
showed it
from,
already. Can you check the video once?
yeah, I do not wanted to check again, so I just asked.
You need to check. Okay, if you check,
Okay,
then only you will learn.
yeah, yeah,
Which is why always I will say check the video. If you check the video, na, along with that you will also learn few new things.
yeah. Okay.
Queries? You can see even for checking in the code as well, it is taking a lot of time. Okay, done. So I will decommission this machine here. I will take the new machine and then I will show you. If there are no questions, I will end session for today. Okay, thanks all for the session. Let's meet again tomorrow, same time. Thank you all. Bye.